To show always on display when the screen is off at scheduled time in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen. Tap always on display. If this menu is still off, turn it on by tapping the on off switch until it turns blue. And then select show as schedule. Tap set schedule. In the start section, set the start time. As the example, we will set it to 8 AM. Next, tap end section. Set the end time. As the example, we will set it to 2 PM. Tap done button to save the schedule. Now your phone will show always on display, where you can see a clock and notification from 8 AM to 2 PM when your phone screen is off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.